Alright, welcome back to part 2. Not gonna stand around, so let's just get straight into it. So I finished the mufflers. Time to actually do the pipe. Just put it back on. Graphics. Let's just see if I can figure out how to get all this stuff off it. It's just scratches and flicking it up, making holes. So let's do the something next. Kinda. And what I'm doing now is trying to take off the frame and just do that up, but so what just happened, that snapped off, that holds the tank in, so that's not good. So yeah, gotten the fuel tank off, but for anyone that doesn't know how to take a fuel tank off, always turn off the fuel before you do it, or otherwise it just start like squirting everywhere. So because that'll be very dangerous. Lucky to do that because it didn't make a mess, but anyways, that's just from the little drip from there. Anyways, gonna probably take off here, then the engine. So yeah, but I'm just trying to see if there's any like other bolts connected. Might have to unbolt that. Anyways, let's try. Just trying to figure out how to, because none of the bolts actually go in there. I'm gonna end it there. Just yeah, just finishing off there. Just gonna leave it right there, and hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and yeah, like, subscribe, and tune in for part 3.